y'all, welcome back to my channel. Excuse this background. I don't know why I don't have y'all in my tripod at the moment. It's right here. But for today's I don't know what to do video I decided that I wanted to take everything out of this bag that I love so much. I've had this for years. I got it from Wally World. And I want to take everything out of it. It's just mostly like top coats, base coats, and then like when I get done with polish, I'll just throw it in here when I don't feel like finding exactly where it goes. And when I was moving, oh my gosh, I was looking for this. I found it just now. Yay. And when I was moving, I just kind of threw some stuff in here. So I want to take all this out and put it into a different container because I want to put this is where I currently have like my gel polish. And as you can see, some files and some glue, buffers, and like a bunch of different things, but mostly my gel stuff and my poly gel stuff. So I decided that I want to see, I'm hoping that it will all fit in here because this is where I would rather have it at. Yeah, so I decided that I wanted to do that while I am soaking off polish again, y'all. Yes, I did that in the last video because I did these nails recently. I did a video on everything, but it was like a nail fill. I haven't even edited the video yet. I'm just still trying to decide if I even want to post it because you ever get an idea in your head and you do it and it turns out looking not the way that you want it to look at all. This isn't even the look that I was going for. I was just going to do red nails, but once I got done, you know, with the red color, I didn't really like it. So I said, well, maybe I'll put like a light black glitter over it. And when I did that, the glitter was really thick and it covered, but it also still showed some of the red through anyway. And I just did not like the way it looked. But this is like day 3, so they're not all fresh looking. They're chipping and stuff anyway, so it's time for it to come off. So while I'm rearranging, I figured I would rearrange with my gloves on while it is soaking off, because since I have glitter on every nail, I don't feel like fighting taking that off with cotton balls. It's just going to be a mess. So these, like I always say, love, 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 can't live without. These are so awesome. If you guys are new to my channel, you have not seen when I first shared these, you guys can go back a few videos and watch where I use these to soak off acrylic nails, gel polish, you know, all that gets of glitter. Yeah, I've shared these a few times. They're amazing. If you're on Instagram, give them a follow. I think that it's just at SNAILS Gloves or official SNAILS Gloves. I'll put the links for their Instagram in the description box and a link where you guys can order you some of these gloves. Every time I sit down, I forget to get something to open these with. But yeah, it's in a nice little like vacuum sealed package. Okay. And my favorite part about these gloves is that you can wear them while you're using your phone, your tablet, your computer. They're like screen proof or whatever. So if I'm soaking off my nails or something, I want to do some editing, I can with these on. So I love that, because like any other type of stuff you put on like this, you cannot use your fingers. You have to sit there and twiddle your thumbs with nothing to do, unless you watch a good TV show, watch the Squid Game or something to keep yourself occupied. But I like to get things done while I'm waiting. So like I mentioned, let me see, I don't think I said in my last video, I didn't talk, but when I'm done using these, and if there's excess still on my nails for any reason, especially if I'm doing like acrylics, I'll pull this out and use the excess, because there's still plenty of nail polish remover left on the pad when you're done. And I'll use that to remove any excess polish, acrylic, whatever I have on my nails. I spill something on my table, I'll use one of the little pads to wipe it up. As you can see, it's already taking the polish off while I'm putting them on. Like, look at that, already working. Sorry about the washer and the dryer in the background, you guys. This just might be a voiceover if it gets too loud. Alright, so they're on there. I just kind of make sure they're pushed down pretty good on there. And we're good to go. Look at that. It's already taking the polish off. Not to be done in no time, because for acrylics it takes not long at all, like less than 10-15 minutes, 15, something like that. So I think it says 20 minutes, but it'll take it off quicker than that. Okay, I want to take out what's in here. Everything's out. Okay, you guys, so this is everything that I had inside of the black bag. So what I thought about doing was, these are the polishes that I shared with you guys in my last video. So I'm gonna take these out also. Or wait, no, I'm not. What am I talking about? I'm gonna take this out. And for now, I'm gonna put the polish, the nail polish that I have up here and here, and I'm just gonna sort through it another day because I keep certain polishes in certain containers. But for now, I'm going to just throw them into this container. So I put these in here just to remember to share them with y'all. So now that I did, I can mix them on up. And as I was going through polish, I was like, ew, forgot I had this. And what else did I see? This one, good Halloween color, Milani. What's this, black cherry? Yeah. Okay. I even found one that I need to toss, which is, this was from Ulta. And I think I might have used it once, but it won't move, so gotta get rid of it. I had another one. This one, I think is okay. I didn't even open it. I might need to check it. That's moving. So this one's okay, but for some reason, this one died. Yeah, I had a bunch of like top coats, base coats, cuticle coats, and ridge fillers, and all kind of things. Look at this pretty one. Cuticle latex tapes, peel off base coats, never opened, hard candy, and it's hard to get open. So yeah, I'm gonna put these in there. I'll keep picking that up. Put that in there for now, just to get this stuff out of the way. Oh, I'm holding this with one hand. Oh my gosh, it's heavy. Alright, so now I'm going to put my gel stuff in here. So I'm going to take everything out of the pink box now. Not a lot, so I think I'll have plenty of room. My directions, I'm going to stick, maybe I'll just put them here for now. Well, no, because I want to put brush gel, stick them there. My alcohol prep pads, I'm going to stick down in here. I have some more gel stuff too. This isn't everything. I have some in my little drawer cart. Way past time for me to take these gloves off. I'm trying to hurry. I'm just throwing it in here, y'all, because even if I put it in order, it's probably going to fall over once I pick it up anyway. I'm ready to get these gloves off. This is my little julep water marble wand. I use it for different things though. right, for now, that's all I have in here. I do have some more stuff, so I may transfer these two things out and put them into my nail cart and put my other gel polish in here instead. And then it's just overflowing. So that's it. Yeah, I just wanted to get that switched out and changed. I feel so much better that I have that done now. So let's go ahead and get these gloves off next. Okay, so you can see they pretty much have changed colors. Whoa, I told y'all it was a lot of glitter. So I knew I was going to have something left over because glitter, you know, it's got to be difficult. It's got to be difficult. That's why I take one out and I just, whatever's left, go ahead and just start scrubbing it off with what I have left on the pad. Very, very convenient and easy. It's already basically soaked off. It's just gotta finish wiping it off. Then I'll go wash and scrub my hands, and then I'm all done. So that's it, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and go take some more of this off my nails, go scrub them, and get ready for my next nail polish I'm gonna use. Get them all prepped and ready to go, and hopefully I'll have a new nail polish video up for you guys soon. So yeah, y'all bear with me. I'm just trying to pick my videos for NailTober since I was trying to get one up every day. It's been a little hard, but I'm trying. So yeah, I'm just trying to think of things to do. If you guys have any ideas on anything you would like to see or any ideas on anything you'd like me to do, let me know in the comments. Give me some ideas. All right, you guys. Bye, y'all. Thank you so much for watching.